Hi, my name is Kimatina. This screencast will show you how to set up a quiz using Google Forms. First, I just want to point out that it is recommended when you know you're creating a quiz using Google Forms that you set it up immediately. Don't wait to the end. So in order to do that, I click on the gear icon and I go over to the quiz tab and I'm going to enable make this form a quiz. And when I do, I get all of these other options available. So first, I have the access to lock mode on Chromebooks. I have early access to that. Most people may not have that. So you can just ignore that if you don't see that um, in your option list. But if you do, you can enable lock mode by clicking the check box here, which will prevent students to opening up new tabs when they're taking your quiz on managed Chromebooks. I can release the grade that the students receive immediately, or I can review their answers and release them later. But be sure that you have email enabled for students in order to do that. Also, I would like to allow the students to see their missed questions. So that's why it's checked off. I want them to see the correct answers and I want them to see the point values. So that's why these options are checked off. I'm going to click Save. And now you can see here, I have up at the top right, total points. And each question um, is now assessed via points. So if I wanted to, what I can do next is I'm going to add a question and I'm going to say what state is displayed above. It's going to be multiple choice, so I'm going to give them a few options here. And right here, I'm going to select the answer key. So I need to do this so that the form knows which choice is the correct answer. So all I'm going to do is select the correct answer, and you can see it puts a check mark here. And I can give it a point value. So let's just say 10 points. All right, and that's it. So now I can go back in and I can see that my question is worth 10 points and that my answer key is selected as New Jersey. I hope you found this screencast helpful.